Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. As you all know, my name is John. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer, backed up by in-house Thai lawyers, barristers, consultants and accountants. Our team here at Anglo Siam Legal are here for all of your legal and accounting needs, and we deal with expats on a daily basis, their families, tourists, etc. Today we're here to discuss what your embassy can and cannot do for you. There's many misconceptions about what embassies get involved in, what they can do and what they can't do. So we're going to base this around the British Embassy because that's my home country and it's one that I can easily navigate and take you through the system. So, British Embassy in Thailand, safety net or paper shield? We've all seen the movies. A traveller gets into a scrape, shouts, "I know my rights," and magically a diplomat appears from a big black car and whisks them away with flags, bells and whistles. In reality, if you're in a Thai jail or Bangkok hospital bed with a £30,000 bill, that suit isn't going to help you. Today we're stripping away the myths, looking at what the British Embassy in Bangkok actually does, and the tough love they're forced to give you, and why. So, let's say the worst happens. You're arrested, maybe it's a fight, maybe it's for a more serious offence, whatever the case may be. You call the embassy, what will they do? The reality is quite simple. The British Embassy will aim to contact you within 24 hours of being notified by you or the police. They'll visit you in person if and when they can, or predominantly they will speak to you over the phone. They'll give you a list of English-speaking lawyers and translators, but you have to pay for them, and there's no hard and fast rule. We at Anglo Siam Legal are listed on the British Embassy Bangkok website and with the Foreign Commonwealth Development Office. That's for your peace of mind. We're vetted, we're listed, we're registered. The embassy cannot get you out of jail. There is no magic get out of jail free card. They cannot give you legal advice because they're not lawyers and they're not trained to do so. They're civil servants. They cannot and will not interfere with the Thai judicial system or process. If a Thai judge says no bail, the King of England himself cannot help you or assist. The British Embassy in Bangkok are essentially welfare observers. They're to make sure that you aren't being singled out as being a foreigner and that you're getting the same, but often basic treatment as any Thai prisoner. They'll help you send letters home, they'll help you contact your family, but they will not assist with any fees or get out of jail services. Okay, so let's talk money. Maybe you didn't get arrested. You just got betired, for want of a better word. You lost your wallet, your passport, your bank account is at zero. The cold truth again, the embassy is not a bank. They will not give you cash for a pad thai or a hotel room. Their first move is to act as a family liaison. They'll help you contact your family back home when they can then send you cash to a pre-designated point, for example, Western Union. Last resort, people talk about emergency loans. Yes, in actual fact, it does exist, but it's a nightmare to get. You have to prove you have zero other options. If they do give you a loan for a flight home, they keep your passport. You get a one-way emergency travel document, and you are effectively blacklisted from getting a new British passport until that debt is paid back in full. It's not a helping hand, it's a government debt. Attachment to wages, county court judgments, etc. if you don't pay. Predominantly, people ask and clients ask, what do they help with if I'm in an accident, if I'm hospitalised for illness, accidents, etc. And quite simply again, they ain't paying your bill. The role here is administrative. They can help, again, contact your family back home. They can help you and your family understand the medical reports, the fees and the facilities, but they will not pay on your behalf or for family members. In Thailand, if you can't pay for non-life-threatening surgery, the hospital can, and often will, discharge you or move you to a lower-tier government hospital. The embassy cannot force a private hospital to treat you for free. We've seen families in the UK and otherwise need to remortgage their family homes to pay medical fees, judicial fees, legal fees, because people haven't taken out adequate insurance and precautions. Quite simply, if you're traveling to Thailand, you've afforded the airfares, you've afforded your spending money, a prerequisite is a 2-week travel insurance. It's going to cover you for many, many things, the most vital of which is to protect you and your family members from huge medical bills. Okay, so the conversation nobody wants. What happens if you pass away in Thailand, and what's the embassy's role? The embassy becomes a bridge between the Thai police and your family. They issue a letter of release so that your body can be moved. But here's the kicker. The cost of flying a body back to the UK can be £10,000 to £15,000 upwards. And if there's no insurance the family can't pay, your body stays in a Thai morgue. Eventually, after 30 days, local authorities may perform what's called a pauper's burial or a cremation. The embassy coordinates the paperwork, but they don't provide the funds for the funeral. It's brutal, but that's the reality for you and your loved ones. So essentially, what is the takeaway on this? The British Embassy is an administrative tool to help you communicate your needs to family members overseas. And that's the same for many embassies, Australia, Germany, America, and so forth. None of these embassies will help you get out of jail. None of these embassies will help you pay medical bills, etc. They're there for administrative support and to make sure that you have contact with other people who can assist. So, for all of your legal needs, it's important to have a good team behind you. Here at Anglo Siam Legal, we have British and international lawyers, and most importantly, in-house Thai lawyers and barristers. We're here to cater for your needs, whether you're a tourist, an expat, a business person, whatever the case may be. Our experienced English-speaking team are here to listen to what you need and to help you through all of your legal problems. So I hope this update on the embassies has been worthwhile. It is important for people to know what they can and cannot do. And if you get into any problems, you know where to come. So give us a like, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. We're here to provide legal updates as well as services just to keep you, our community, updated. Thanks for watching. And if you're ever passing the office by Big C Pattaya Thai, pop in and say hi. See you soon.